Presenting a pre-owned 2013 Nissan Altima 2.5. This four-door sedan has a four-cylinder, 2.5-liter i4 engine, with front-wheel drive, and an automatic transmission. This Nissan has less than 78,000 miles on the odometer. Estimated fuel economy for this vehicle is 27 miles per gallon in the city, and 38 miles per gallon on the highway. This vehicle is in excellent overall condition. Key features include automatic climate control, Bluetooth, MP3 player, Sirius satellite radio, anti-lock brakes, cruise control, power steering, power windows, power door locks, stability control, and traction control. Call 401-885-5355 to schedule a test drive and learn about our guaranteed financing options. Come in and see why we were awarded Dealer of the Year for 3 consecutive years in a row.